Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do oil change in this is Volkswagen Passat SE. So this procedure guys is just a standard procedure. The basic thing, you open the hood, and then this is the 2.5 engine. You open the oil cap for the engine, and then once you do that guys, what next is we have to go down there below the car, and then we have to have something to do to catch our oil which is coming out. So you have to have like a tray or something. So guys, here down here I've removed the cover, and I've removed the bolt is a 19 millimeter, and then you let it drain out. And then next thing guys, it's important that when you do oil change, you also do the filter. So this is the filter is on this next is on the front side of the engine. So what you do guys is you look for it's sometimes it's really tight. You look for something, you just loosen it up. So I've loosened it up a little bit so I can do it with my hand. So here's the trick guys. So when you're opening up like this, there's something holding the front part of the of this oil filter housing. So once I just pull out like that, it can't come out the whole of it, because there's something holding down here guys. So it's important when you're doing when you want to remove the filter, you have to remove first kind of like a fastener, the holder for the lid. So what I'm going to try and do right now is just to tighten it back, and then to release this part, this front part. I have to take this one out first guys before I pull out the whole housing the oil housing together with the filter to pull it out. So I have to remove this one. You do it anti-clockwise. So you just pull it slowly like that, you take it out, and once it's done, it doesn't spill any fluid, so don't be worried about that. So the fluid will just come, the oil will come from the housing. So now you can pull the housing, and then you can take it out completely, then let it fall down, and then now you can pull the oil filter out, and then you can replace it. Okay guys, also another thing, when you're doing the filter, you have to replace also the seals. Don't forget to do that, so that your service will be complete. So I'm just putting this one back. I've already put in the new oil filter, and then now I have to tighten this very well. Then I have to tighten also up there, like after I put it in, I have to like tighten it a little bit stronger. Once that's done guys, we can come on top, and then maybe you can put our oil. So this is the 2.5 engine, so it's going to take 6 quarts. So this is 1 quart I'm just going to put in. So you do for the remaining ones, you do for the remaining 5, you do 5 quarts plus this one to become 6. And once that is done guys, you can be able to reset your oil service in the car. And then also I think there's a video I think I made about the oil service reset. You can check it out, so you can know how to do that. And once that is done guys, you run the car, and then you make sure the level of the oil is okay in your car. So don't forget to do that. That's important, because the level is going to help us understand if it's in the right path. Okay, here we go. Yeah, the oil is okay. This video will help you guys. I'll see you next time.